Hello. In this video, we will see how to create a product in Shopify. So, let's see how to create a product. First, we will go to Products. After going to Products, we will click on Add Product. After clicking on Add Product, we will put the product name here. For example, shirt. Then we will put the description of the shirt here. It is a cotton shirt, okay, short descriptions. And here we will put the image of the product image, for example, and it can automatically select the category, or we can also put, if we want to put individual, then we can put it separately, or it automatically selects the category from the name of the product. Then we will go to the price. We will put the price, for example, 120 rupees shirt price. Then we can also add SQ in it. We will keep the SQ shirt as its name. We will keep the color as white and size as XL, M, product create. Why any they call you my product created has been created. Now we will see whether our product has been created or not. See, our product has been created with a shirt name. Now we have 0 in its stock. Okay, now we will put it stock and available. This is its stock. We will put it stock 10 by default. It comes in new also with adjust by. We will save it here. Then we will put it stock 10 by default. It comes in new also from edges by. We will save here, then we will exit from here. Now in our stock some 10 will be seen. Yes, okay, and our stock 10 has been done. Category has come our shirts. Okay, now we stocks. Now our shirts are in our stocks. Now we go to Shopify, we go to Odoo. Now we will go to our Shopify data. After going to our Shopify data, we will click in the pop-up that the product and inventory sync is finished. Okay, now we will go to our Shopify data. After going to Shopify data, we will click on products. After clicking on products, we will show here that our product has come. For example, the name of our product is shirt. This is our shirt, whose available quantity is 10. We will go here in the product. This is our product shirt. Its image has come here. As you can see, we have synced the Shopify product ID from this instance. The product ID has come. The quantity has come. This is 10. The same quantity has come 10, and the price is 120. Okay. All the rest is our general information. If we want to push this quantity in Shopify, then we will put 20 here and we will update it in Shopify. This product is updated in Shopify. We will go to Shopify and then refresh the page. Refresh, yes, it will show you the inventory. The quantity of our product is 20. It has been updated. This is all we had from Shopify. We have from Shopify and we have updated it. Now we can update all the things. For example, we will keep the name of the shirt. For example, bottle, and we will save it manually, and we will update it in Shopify. Product updated in Shopify. We will refresh here, see our product. Name has changed, bottle, our product name has changed. Okay, all fields, every field in product section. We can update any field. Okay, thank you in this video.